Welcome on Keyapp YouTube channel, the company that helps your application to achieve top positions of the search list on Google Play and App Store. And today we are going to discuss the topic that is interesting for everyone for sure, and that is how to get first 1000 installs for your new application. As yet, today we are going to talk about the main ways to increase app downloads for your application and how actually you can get first 1000 installs for your app. So to show Google Play or App Store that the application is alive and already can be indexed for some keywords, for example. First of all, let's start from Google Play, as the algorithm of this store is more difficult and they require some additional actions to show from you that the application is alive, used, and can get ranked for some search requests, so to be able to promote to the top of the search list. If we're talking about our services that can give you first installs, first of all, we need to remember about CPI campaigns, and these are real installs from real users that are generated with the help of ads, and in such a way you can attract first users at a low price for your app and show algorithm that the application can be indexed for some keywords, because for Google Play it is extremely important. Despite the fact that the main factor for indexation is App Store optimization and the way you work with title, short, long description, it is still needed to show Google Play some additional actions in the app so to get ranked. And it is extremely important for new application to get some first installs, especially for indexation and for the app reputation in general, both for some rates, reviews, because we do understand that no one will install the application that doesn't have any rates and reviews, and in such a way you can already attract then some traffic to your app. Also, if you're talking about some ways to get the installs for your app on our platform at a cheap cost, we can talk about package installs. Of course, we do understand that these installs do not provide any in-app activity or any active users to your app, but still, if you need some statistics in Google Play developer account, for example, so to be able to show that the app has some downloads, you can work with these installs as well and get cheap downloads for your app. By the way, at our platform we have minus 50% discount for the first order in your account, and in such a way the installs will cost even less than at a regular price. And let's start with App Store. Unfortunately, on our platform, we do not have the possibility to provide CPI campaigns for iOS applications, but still there is the possibility to work with package installs and in such a way to get some additional downloads, some first downloads for your app. By the way, if you already work with a new platform and you do not have any orders before, you can use minus 50% discount for iOS as well, because on old platform this discount, this welcome bonus, is available only for Google Play, but on a new platform you can already use it for iOS as well. And about app reputation, we would like to mention it as well, as it influences the rate of installs you have on Google Play and App Store. Most App Store optimization specialists and app developers think that no one pays attention to app reputation, to rates and reviews, but that's not true, and you need to pay a lot of attention working with this, as this influences the conversion rate a lot, both on Google Play and App Store. And if we're talking on Google Play, they calculate the rating according to last 30 days, and according to the rates you get within 1 month. But when we are talking about App Store, they calculate according to all the rates you have lifetime for your application. So some main recommendations to get first downloads for your application. First of all, if you work with Google Play, start with CPI campaign, as these are real users that are interested in your application, and actually you can get them at really low price at our platform. Also, you can work with package installs both for Google Play and App Store. Remember that these installs do not provide any in-app activity or some active users, but still, if you need to have some statistics in Google Play developer account or in App Store Connect, you can work with these downloads as well, as they are cheaper than keyword installs. But if the application is indexed, work only with keyword installs, so to get the increase in the positions as well. And of course, if you would like to start to attract users to your app, work with app reputation, and on our platform you can also order some reviews and rates for your app, so to be able to show your user that the application is used and should be downloaded. We do understand that everyone would like to have a formula helping to make the application successful already at the beginning. But still, in mobile apps marketing, it is needed to use different approaches and different tools to help the application to become popular and downloaded by the users from all over the world. And on our platform, you can use some additional tools that can help you. Блять, що це було? We do understand that everyone would like to have a formula helping to make the application successful already at the beginning. But still, in mobile apps marketing, it is needed to use different approaches and tools, so to help the app to get first 1,000 downloads. And on our platform, you can use these tools helping you to attract some users to your application already after release. But still, if you have some questions regarding keyword promotion or CPI campaigns or app reputation, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be happy to assist.